abundance.
Yeah.
We see so many that we idolize people that are multimillionaires,
Yeah.
and yet you look at them inside and they're the most hollow people that you possibly could ever know. Let's talk about what true abundance is instead.
You know, the true abundance is within, you know. It doesn't matter how much money we have. Yes, money is needed for utility, right? Like we live in the Western world for everything, like for car, for insurance, you know, for living as a good life, we need a money. But that doesn't mean we have to move behind money. We have to maintain work-life balance, first of all. The real meaning of the abundance is to connect with who we really are. Most of the people are living with the lackness, you know, with the scarcity minded, with the poor mindset, you know. That is the opposite of abundance. The right meaning of abundance is to connect with limitless, boundless, and the endless opportunities. Everything is here, you know, but we are not able to connect with it because we are living with the chattering and the wandering of the mind, which is controlled by the ego. So, therefore, we are not able to attract the thought of abundance, the thought of prosperity, the thought of happiness. As I said, people still have millions of the dollar, but still they are not rich. They are more poor. Why?
Absolutely.
Because they believe in lackness. They believe in scarcity, right? They believe in poor mindset. Like I met to so many people ever in my life, and they are the millionaires, you know, they are the richest people in the world too. But when I gone into the deeper into their life, they were totally hollow. They were totally empty from inside, you know. So what is the point of having millions and the billions of the dollar? And the more you fool, the more you follow the money.
Yeah.
Therefore, the most of the people who are happy with abundance, prosperity, joy, you know, they are the people who connect with the nature, right? What beautiful nature. That is the meaning of true abundance, right? You ask me what is the meaning of the true abundance? I can say the more you connect with the water, you know, ocean, nature, just enjoy with the chirping of the birds.